The first female Prime Minister of the UK was. Correct option is Margaret Thatcher. The first issue of Maulana Abul Kalam Azad's Al-Hilal came out on the 13th of July. Correct option is 1912. The first man to climb Mount Everest was. Correct option is Edmund Hillary. The first man to travel into space was. Correct option is Yuri Gagarin. The first man-made satellite was. Correct option is Sputnik 1. The first meeting of the UN General Assembly was held in which of the following cities? Correct option is New York. The first Muslim who became the President of Indian National Congress was. Correct option is Badruddin Tayyibji. The first Nobel Prize given to the Asian was for the work in. Correct option is physiology. The first person to reach the South Pole was. Correct option is Roald Amundsen. The first person to step on the moon was. Correct option is Neil Armstrong. The first president of India was. Correct option is Dr. Rajendra Prasad. The first president of the USA was. Correct option is George Washington. The first Prime Minister of Bangladesh was. Correct option is Mujibur Rahman. The first Prime Minister of Pakistan Liaquat Ali Khan was assassinated on October 16, 1951 during his address to the public, and on the 27th of December 2007 who was assassinated at Liaquat Bagh in Rawalpindi. Correct option is Mohtarma Benazir Bhutto. The first Secretary General of the Commonwealth was. Correct option is Arnold Smith. The first Secretary General of the UN was. Correct option is Trygve Lie. The first Sikh ruler of Punjab was. Correct option is Ranjit Singh. The first truly global war was. Correct option is World War II. The first woman in space was. Correct option is Valentina Tereshkova. The first woman Prime Minister in the world was. Correct option is Sirimavo Bandaranaike. The first woman to climb Mount Everest was. Correct option is Junko Tabbe. The first woman to fly solo across the Atlantic Ocean was. Correct option is Amelia Earhart. The first woman to receive a Nobel Prize in Peace was. Correct option is Bertha von Suttner. The first woman to receive a Nobel Prize in Physics twice was. Correct option is Marie Curie. The first woman to win a Nobel Prize in Chemistry was. Correct option is Marie Curie. The first woman to win a Nobel Prize in Literature was. Correct option is Selma Lagerlöf. The first woman to win a Nobel Prize in Physics was. Correct option is Marie Curie. The first woman to win a Nobel Prize in Physiology or Medicine was. Correct option is Gerty Cori. The first woman to win a Nobel Prize was. Correct option is Marie Curie. The first woman to win the Nobel Prize in Economic Sciences was. Correct option is Elinor Ostrom. The first woman to win 2 Nobel Prizes was. Correct option is Marie Curie. The founder of Indian National Congress was. Correct option is A.O. Hame. The French Revolution began in the year. Correct option is 1789. The French Revolution ended in. Correct option is 1793. The French Revolution gave rise to the theory of. Correct option is democracy. The function of fuse in an electrical circuit is. Correct option is to break the circuit in case of overloading or short-circuiting. The Garden of Indies is. Correct option is Bangalore. The Gateway of India is in. Correct option is Mumbai. The gravitational force with which the sun attracts the earth. Correct option is more than the force with which the earth attracts the sun. The Great Barrier Reef is located in. Correct option is Australia. The group of 77 is a, and. Correct option is economic group. The group 77 now comprises countries. Correct option is none of these. The headquarters of a few agencies related to the UN are located in Vienna, which is in. Correct option is Austria. The headquarters of all the following international organizations are based at Vienna, except. Correct option is Organization of Petroleum Exporting Countries. The headquarters of ILO is located at. Correct option is Geneva. The headquarters of IRCC is located at. Correct option is none of these. The headquarters of the Asian Development Bank is located in which of the following cities? Correct option is Manila. The headquarters of the International Committee of the Red Cross are at. Correct option is Geneva. The headquarters of the Organization of Petroleum Exporting Countries are at. Correct option is Vienna. The headquarters of the UNO are located at. Correct option is New York. The headquarters of the Warsaw Treaty Organization were at. Correct option is Warsaw. The headquarters of UNESCO, referred to its citizens as the HQ, is located in. Correct option is Paris. The heads of governments of the countries which are members of the Commonwealth meet. Correct option is no fixed schedule. The highest mountain in Africa is. Correct option is Mount Kilimanjaro. The highest mountain peak in the world is. Correct option is Mount Everest. The highest price paid for any book is 8.14 million named. Correct option is the Gospel Book of Henry the Lion, Duke of Saxony. The highest waterfall in the world is. Correct option is Angel Falls. The hottest desert in the world is. Correct option is Sahara. The hottest planet in the solar system is. Correct option is Venus. The 100-year war fought between France and England was started by. Correct option is Edward III. The 100-year war was fought between. Correct option is France and England. The immediate cause of World War II in Europe was. Correct option is the invasion of Poland. The international agency which provides soft loans to developing countries of Asia is. Correct option is Asian Development Bank. The International Atomic Energy Agency was created under the aegis of the UN in. Correct option is 1957. The inventor of the World Wide Web is. Correct option is Tim Berners-Lee. The Islamic provision of objectives resolution was inserted in the Constitution of Pakistan during the regime of. Correct option is Zia-ul Haq. The king of Macedonia, who conquered most of Asia Minor and defeated Porus in 327 BC was. Correct option is Alexander the Great. The language with the richest vocabulary is. Correct option is English. The largest animal in the world is. Correct option is blue whale. The largest book, the Superbook, is __long and weighs __. Correct option is 270 centimeters by 300 centimeters, 252 kilograms. The largest canyon in the world is. Correct option is Grand Canyon. The largest coffee producer in the world is. Correct option is Brazil. The largest continent by land area is. Correct option is Asia. The largest coral reef in the world by area is. Correct option is Great Barrier Reef. The largest coral reef in the world by length is. Correct option is Great Barrier Reef. The largest coral reef in the world is. Correct option is Great Barrier Reef. The largest coral reef system in the world is. Correct option is Great Barrier Reef. The largest country in Africa by area is. Correct option is Algeria. The largest country in South America by area is. Correct option is Brazil. The largest desert in Africa is. Correct option is Sahara. The largest desert in Asia is. Correct option is Gobi Desert. The largest desert in the world is. Correct option is Sahara. The largest gland in the human body is. Correct option is liver. The largest island in Africa by area is. Correct option is Madagascar. The largest island in Africa by population is. Correct option is Madagascar. The largest island in Asia by area is. Correct option is Borneo. The largest island in Europe by area is. Correct option is Great Britain. The largest island in Europe by length is. Correct option is Great Britain. The largest island in Europe is. Correct option is Great Britain. The largest island in North America by population is. Correct option is Cuba. The largest island in North America is. Correct option is Greenland. The largest island in the Arctic Ocean is. Correct option is Greenland. The largest island in the Atlantic Ocean by population is. Correct option is Great Britain. The largest island in the Atlantic Ocean by volume is. Correct option is Greenland. The largest island in the Atlantic Ocean is. Correct option is Greenland. The largest island in the Caribbean by area is. Correct option is Cuba. The largest island in the Caribbean by length is. Correct option is Cuba. The largest island in the Caribbean by population is. Correct option is Cuba. The largest island in the Caribbean is. Correct option is Cuba. The largest island in the Caribbean Sea by area is. Correct option is Cuba.